Vietnamese hair extensions are all made of synthetic. The price of Vietnamese hair extension is high, but the quality is not good. Don't buy Vietnamese hair extensions. All of them are poor quality. Are these opinions correct? Are Vietnamese hair extensions that bad? Hi guys, welcome back to K Hair Factory, Best Vietnam Hair YouTube channel. I'm Justin, sales manager of K Hair Factory. And today, let's learn about Vietnamese hair extensions. Why being more expensive than those from China and India, Vietnamese hair bundles are nevertheless far more extensively utilized and more well-liked. Below are two main factors making the reputations of Vietnamese human hair bundles. The first advantage when buying Vietnamese hair bundle is that Vietnamese hair bundles are top-notch. The qualities of Vietnamese human hair is the most important feature when compared to various hair bundles that originate from other countries. Vietnamese human hair bundles are extremely distinctive in terms of hair texture, since they are straight, smooth, soft, and silky. Vietnamese human hair bundles have a straight, natural structures, making them resistant to tangling. The Vietnamese hair bundles are so thick that you may already feel the weight in your fingers. Vietnamese human hair bundles often have black hair. Vietnamese human hair bundles' natural black hair colors may blend in with the client's own hair color from other countries. Vietnamese human hair bundles can be shaped and styled in a very straightforward manner. Black Vietnamese human hair bundles can be dyed to produce any hue, including yellow, purple, white, violet, silver, cream, clay, lavender, mint, cayenne, and ruby. Vietnamese human hair bundles last a very long time, on average of 3 to 5 years. You only need to wash and dry your hair daily to maintain the durability of Vietnamese human hair bundles. As a result, your hair will last longer, and this is a very simple way to maintain. Whether you have straight, wavy, or curly hair, installing and removing Vietnamese hair bundle is quick and easy. After using Vietnamese human hair bundle a couple times, you will be satisfied by how much you love the quantity. Secondly, the cost of Vietnamese human hair bundle is affordable. The best human hair bundles on the market are frequently from Vietnam. To your surprise, the price is really affordable. In addition to the qualities of Vietnamese human hair bundles, clients prioritize cost when making purchases. Comparing Vietnamese human hair bundles to Chinese or Indian hair bundles reveals how affordable yet exactly made they are. Because the suppliers are in Vietnam, there is no need to import hair from other nations, resulting in reduced production costs for Vietnamese human hair bundles. Moreover, Vietnamese is regarded as having inexpensive labor and affordable transportations. Vietnamese human hair bundles are therefore of excellent value given their high qualities and suitability for demanding customers. Vietnamese human hair bundles are unquestionably among the most affordable options available on the wholesale market. So that is all you need to know about Vietnamese human hair bundles. If you find this video useful, please give us a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. This is Justin, and I will be back for more videos on K Hair Factory, Best Vietnam Hair YouTube channel. Thank you and see you again.